Hope you're keeping well and safe, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I post makeup tutorials and today I will be showing you how to get these shimmery golden eye. I'm going to begin by taking the Huda Beauty Gold Obsession palette and taking this pinky peach shade, and using a MAC tapered blending brush I'm going to apply this onto the crease areas of my eye. So here we're just building a base and a canvas that we can work with. Then I'm going to go in with the P. Louise Academy Prime and Define eyeshadow primer, and the shade I'm using is called Extra AF and it's like a golden shimmer shade. I'm going to use a flat shader brush, and the one I'm using is by Elite Models, and I'm just going to put this all over my eyelid area. As you can see, this primer is a golden glitter which is perfect for the look we want today. Next, I'm going to take this golden shimmer and using my fingers I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. Because it's such a shimmery and smooth texture, it applies better with your fingers than a brush. It is perfect for when you want a nice shimmery glitter look without using loose glitter. Now, taking this dark brown shade and a thin definer brush, I'm just going to create like an outer V, so I'm just patting this onto the outer corner of my eye and creating like a winged line effect. And using this neutral shade, I'm just going to blend this out and upwards. This will just deepen the outer corner of our eyes, giving us more dimension and depth in our eyes. Next, I'm taking this bright gold shade and I'm going to apply this onto my lower lash line. I'm using a small shader brush to do so. Then I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shade and use this towards the outer corner of the lower lash line and then buff this towards the centre, just so we have a lightly smoked effect. Now, taking my blending brush, I'm just going to blend everything out to remove any harsh edges. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking this pinkish shimmer and applying this under my eyebrow area. And for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm taking this shimmer that's got a hint of pink in, and using a thin brush I'm just going to blend this upwards to brighten the eye. To finish the eyes off, I'm going to go ahead and apply these Tatti lashes in TL19. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will link all the products I've used in the description box below, and thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear your thoughts on this eye makeup, so please do drop me a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't done so already, please do show your support by hitting the subscribe button and giving this tutorial a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Take care for now, and I shall see you in my next tutorial. Bye!